Eric Conrad Padua Menk, born August 24, 1974, is a Filipino-American former professional basketball player who played in the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA) and the ASEAN Basketball League. Known as Major Payne, Menk is a four-time PBA champion and was the 2004-5 PBA Most Valuable Player. Menk had played for the Barangay Ginebra franchise for 12 seasons before being waived and signed by the San Miguel Beermen of the ASEAN Basketball League. He was eventually picked up by the Aces of the PBA, playing for them for 2 seasons before retiring. Menk was born in Grand Rapids. His family moved to Charlotte when he was 6. His mother, Lucia Padua, was born in Lawan, Eastern Samar, and met all his father in Angeles City while he served in the United States Air Force. They got married in 1969. Before him, she had previously given birth to twin boys, but one was stillborn and the other died within 24 hours. His sister was born a year later. His father began teaching him how to play basketball at the age of 7. When he turned 10, all started to bring him to high school basketball games. He was often bullied because of his lineage. PBL career. After his stint in Denmark, Menk had offers to play in England and Ireland. To his Filipino agent, Sam Anera, gave him an offer to play in the Philippines. He arrived in the Philippine basketball scene in 1997 when he played for the Tanduay Remasters in the Philippine Basketball League PBL. After adjusting to the league's physicality, he quickly made an impact in the PBL, being the first Rookie of the Year awardee and Most Valuable Player awardee. Aside from that, he also won to more Most Valuable Player awards and piloted Tanduay to a couple of championships. During his final PBL conference, Menk and Blue Detergent's Acetalava was considered one of the best rivalries at the time. PBA career. After Tanduay made its return to the PBA, the Remasters were allowed to nab 6 players from their PBL squad. Menk headlined the list of those elevated to the pro ranks. Also, Tanduay drafted Filipino-American Sonny Alvarado as the top pick, making Menk and Alvarado as one of the strongest front lines in the league. Menk would struggle in his early games in the PBA. However, Menk made a strong showing in the 1999 All-Filipino Conference, leading Tanduay to a finals appearance in their maiden season. While Menk was named as the best player of the conference, the Remasters were upset by the veteran-laden Formula Shell Zoom Masters of eventual MVP Benji Paraz. He scored 43 points in a Game 3 loss during that finals. Menk continued his strong performance in the Commissioner and Governor's Cup tournaments, leading him to numerous awards. As a rookie, he also led all locals in scoring for that season. After the 2001 PBA season, Tanduay was finalizing its sale to FedEx when Menk was traded to the crowd favorite Barangay Ginebra Kings for Elmer Lago and a draft pick. Menk's debut with the team was delayed as he spent his time with the Philippine national team for the 2002 Asian Games in Bisan, South Korea. In the All-Filipino Cup, Menk finally made his Ginebra debut. In a win over the San Miguel Beermen, he exploded for 26 points. In his third game with Ginebra, he had a double-double of 14 points and 14 rebounds. He was unable to lead the Kings into the quarterfinals. In 2003, Menk had strong performances during the season. However, Barangay Ginebra failed to enter the semifinals of the All-Filipino Cup. 26 his strong performances included a 45-point and 18-rebound double-double against the Talk and Text Phone Pals that was nullified, and a 38-point, 17-rebound double-double against FedEx. He also played in the 2003 PBA All-Star Game. He then had to sit out for a month due to a hamstring injury. Ginebra qualified for the quarterfinals in his return with import Rosal Ellis leading the way. In 2002, Menk was selected to play in the national team for the 2002 Asian Games in Bisan, South Korea. However, the country went home without a medal. He started every game and averaged 8 rebounds for the tournament. In 2005, Menk was again included in the national pool for future international competitions. However, with his citizenship still in limbo during the time, Menk failed to join Team Pilipinas in either the Jones Cup or the Brunei Sultan Cup. In 2007, for the third time, Menk represented the Philippines again in the 2007 FIBA Asia Championship. Despite a 5-2 record, the Philippines finished 9th and did not qualify for the Olympics. As an assistant coach, in 2018, Menk joined Jimmy Alapag's coaching staff for Alab Pilipinas. He was with the team until 2020, when that season was suspended. Personal life, he has a wife, Erin, whom he met in the Philippines, and 2 children. Controversy. Menk's citizenship has been questioned since he arrived in the PBA in 1999. But unlike fellow Filipino foreign cager Asitalava, Menk had fewer problems regarding his citizenship. he was suspended twice by the league. In 2000, the PBA suspended the then Tanduay cager indefinitely for failure to submit proper documents on time. In 2005, Menk was again suspended for failing to submit additional documents to the league for clarification. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.